Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in Nelson English Pupil Book. Primary 3, English Language, First Term. Nelson English Pupil Book, Unit 2. Would you like to live here? Scheme of work reference, page 12 to 17. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the children will be able to learn about homes around us, vocabulary, alphabetical order, punctuation, capital letters and full stops, spellings, silent letters, grammar, singular and plural, writing, fact and fiction. First of all, what are the different living places of people? Let's find out. In this lesson, we are going to learn about different living places of people, if not homes around the world. People live in many different types of home around the world, each with their own characteristics. People often make homes to suit where they live. Stilts. This is the first living place that today we are going to learn about. What are stilts? Here are some pictures of stilts. These pictures show homes that are on stilts. These people live over the water. In some countries, whole villages are built on stilts. People use boats to get back to the land. What are stilts? Stilts mean a long wooden poles used to support a building above the ground or water. We can see stilts in Thailand, Maldives, Vietnam and Philippines. Some people live in homes on stilts. What do they sometimes live over? Think about the answer. Next one, tents. Here are some pictures of tents. In some countries, some people choose to live in tents. They are often nomads moving their homes to find water and food at different times of the year. What does nomads mean? Nomads are the people who live in different locations, moving from one place to another. We can see tents in Middle East countries. Can you tell me where do nomads live? Think about it. Next one, huts. What are huts? Huts are another living place of people. Here are some pictures of huts. In a number of hot countries, some people live in huts made of mud. The mud dries in a hot sun to make a hard layer to make walls. Sometimes large leaves are tied onto the roof. We can see huts in India, Africa, Sri Lanka and Kenya. Two people in mud huts live in hot or cold countries. If it is yes, why is that? Next living place is caves. Some people living in caves. Here are some pictures of caves. People live in caves. They can be found in many countries across the world. We can see caves in Turkey, China, Afghanistan. Okay, here is a description of two very different houses. Let's read the paragraph. From a long journey. Sejal climbed out of the car and looked at the house that was to be her new home. It was very different from the house where she had lived in India. That house had been long and low with thick white walls and a big porch which shaded the house from the hot sun. This house was made of red bricks. It was very tall and narrow with a chimney pot at one end of the roof. The door was painted bright red and had a big brass knocker. Nobody had lived in the house for a very long time and it had a sad look about it. Sejal was not sure if she was going to like living there. So first of all, from the paragraph, let's find the difficult words. Difficult words are porch. What is a porch? A porch is a covered area attached to a house. And another difficult word is chimney pot. What is a chimney pot? It is the top of a chimney. And also another new word is there. It is brass knocker. What is that? It is a metal ring used by visitors to knock on a door to attract attention. Now I have few questions to ask from you all. From the passage you can find the answers. First question, where had Sejal come from? Second one, what are the differences between Sejal's first home and second home? Think about it. Next, we are going to learn about silent letters. Sometimes we have words in English that have silent letters. Some words have silent letters that we don't hear when we say the words aloud. They are in the word, we say them, but we don't pronounce them. We don't hear silent letters when we say the word aloud. This makes it difficult for us to remember how to spell these words. Sometimes reading the word aloud can make it easier to find the silent letters. Silent letters can make words tricky to spell. Let's find out some examples for silent letters. First one, character. Character. Character has a silent H. Next word, writer. Writer. Writer has a silent W. Next word, scientific. Scientific. Scientific has a silent C. Let's see some examples for silent letters. The first word is knee. Knee. Knee has a silent K. Next one, wrap. Wrap. Wrap has a silent W. Next one, calm. Calm. Calm has a silent L. Next one, knife. Knife. Knife has a silent K. Next one, listen. Listen. Listen has silent T. Next one, honest. Honest. Honest has a silent H. Last one, often. Often. Often has a silent T. Now we are going to learn about alphabetical order. It means the words in a dictionary are in alphabetical order. First of all, tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, you are correct. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. My dear children, all the letters in English language are arranged in a proper order, and this order is known as ABC order or alphabetical order. Where we can find this alphabetical order? Have you used a dictionary to find difficult words? Yes. In a dictionary also you can see the words in an alphabetical order. So, words starting with A come first. Words starting with B come second. Words starting with C come third, and so on. Words starting with Z come last. Sometimes it helps to say the alphabet aloud when working out the order letters come in. Look at this example. Example number 1. You can see the letters B, M, A, W. So we have to arrange these letters according to alphabetical order. Let's start. So according to the alphabetical order, the letter A comes first. So we write the letter A firstly. After that, the letter B comes as second. Now we have only two letters out there, M and W. Between M and W, what is the letter comes first? Yes, you are correct. It is M. And the last letter should be W. Next, we should learn another thing about alphabetical order. If the words begin with the same letter, we need to look at the second letter in each word. In this example, you can see the words walls, white, with. All these three words start with same letter, the letter W. So what can we do now? In such a case, you should always remember this rule. If the first letter is same, always we should look at the second letter. In this example, if we look at the second letters of these words, we can see the letters as second in first word A, second word H, and third word I. So what comes first? A or H or I? Yes, you are correct. A comes first. So we write walls first. After that, H or I? Yes, you are correct. After that, the letter H comes as second. And the word with comes last. capital letters and full stops. All sentences start with a capital letter. Examples: birds are flying in the sky. You can see the first letter B is capital. Second one, you are a good boy. You can see the first letter Y is capital. So, when we are writing a sentence, the first letter should be capital. Next rule, a sentence usually ends with a full stop. Example, I need to go to there. I need to go there. Now we are going to learn about singular and plural. We usually add s to a naming word when we mean more than one. So there are some rules that we should follow when we change singular words to plural words. Singular means one and plural means more than one. First rule, if a noun ends with s, double s, x, ch or sh, at the end of the word we add es. Let's see some examples. Singular, class, classes, bus, buses, church, churches, box, boxes, brush, brushes. So, for these all singular words, we have added es because these all words ends with s, double s, x, ch and sh. Second rule, when a noun ends in a consonant with y, we drop the y and add ies. Let's see some examples for that. In singular side, you can see first one, baby. The word baby ends with y. Baby plus ies. Plural, babies. In the word baby, we cut the letter y and we add ies. Babies. Second one, country. In the word country, we cut the letter y and we add ies. Countries. Third one, city. City plus ies. In the word city, we cut y and we add ies. Cities. Third rule, when a noun ends in a vowel with y, we just add s. Singular side, boy. Boy plus s, boys. Day. The word day we add s, jays. Toy. Toy plus s, toys. We add s for these words because before y letter there are vowel letters you can see. Fact and fiction. Now we are going to learn about fact and fiction. Fact, books that are factual gives us information. They are true. These are also called non-fiction books. To remember, people would say non-fiction as not fake. Non-fiction is about real people, real places and real things. Fiction. These are stories. All storybooks are fiction. These have characters, settings and plots. It means events that happen. Fiction can make you laugh or fiction can make you cry. Some people called fiction as fake to help them remember. Fiction books tells us about things that are not real. They are based on stories. Thank you my dear children for watching the video. I hope you all understood the lesson. So try to do the activities in English Pupil book. Stay safe. Goodbye.